Okay, Mrs. Elsie Abrams. So you just open up a browser, Chrome if you can. Safari will do it, just depending on what machine you are. You just type in Google My Business, and there's an ad, there's a listing for it, right? They even have their own Google My Business page listing. Click either one of those, and you should arrive at a sign-in page. You need to log in. And you should be able to log in because, let's see here. I manage a bunch of locations. Let's go to Carmen's. So if you see here, it's pending verification. I'm in Carmen's. Both you'll just have one. You'll just have yours to go to. But on users, you are the primary owner. So you were sent the invitation out of the system. They don't have an admin or anything else, so I'm typically called an owner on all the ones that I'm done, but I'm not the primary. I always make sure that the real owners are primary. So I can come and go. You always will stay. You either can open or close the business, right? So anyway, so you're there, and then this is what you have to do. You have to go here while you're in your dashboard, right? You have to go here, and then you scroll down to the bottom where it says support, and then you click that, and you'll begin to walk through. Now, it's kind of frustrating because what they'll do, we used to be able to do a call or a chat and email, but depending on what the business is, they only offer either chat and email or just email only. So you got to hit contact us. Okay, contact us will lead you to next steps. You can just put on here need help, right? And click next step because they're always going to try to send you to an article to read. That's what we call documentation. That's what a lot of our guys, a lot of us on the technical side have to do. We have to go read documentation. How does this work? What are some of the issues people have and how do we solve it without having to talk to anybody? But in this case, I know you want to talk to somebody. So um, postcard, you can say postcard didn't arrive, right? I would usually say other because if you say postcard didn't arrive, it's going to take you to tutorials, right? So hit next step, always go down to the bottom, next step. You see it's only allowing you contact options is just email. Now sometimes they'll call you from there. So just send them an email as the owner. And I have already explained, and I did send this, I didn't get a response, maybe you did. Is there some way they can add the P.O. box to the card, right? Takes up to 5 days. Because of COVID-19, they say it could be a potential up to 14 days. But I was just asking to send it less than 1,900 people population city. This is the way the U.S. Post Office works. Here's the phone number to Marfa's Post Office to even verify what I'm saying is true. Okay. If they could do that, that'd be great. If someone could just check the post office every day, I mean, I'm sure you might be able to catch it. I can't imagine they would send something back, but it's what you're telling me how it works. No other hotel there did it any different. So, apologize for that. Anyway, so this is your option there. So if you go back, and let's go back another step, right? Contact us. And I just need help. I'm starting this over again, right? I'm just going to say need help. And then next steps, right? Just say other, right? If you just say other and keep going next steps, see, it only lets us do email, all right? So there we go. Anyway, if you'll click that from you'll go to your email inbox and it'll be set up going to them. Send something to them and appeal to them. Let's see if you can get a response out of them. And then make sure you got your phone number on there so they can call. All right. I have done this and thoroughly explained. And I know